Looking to fast-track your financial goals and earn extra cash? Online surveys offer a straightforward solution. Explore top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site varies in availability, age requirements, and payment methods, so consider these factors carefully. When selecting survey sites, reputation, survey quantity, and payout methods should be taken into account. To maximize your earnings, complete profiles, capitalize on free offers, and prioritize surveys with the highest payout rates. Adopt best practices such as creating a separate email address, taking regular breaks, and installing antivirus software to ensure a smooth survey-taking experience. Beware of warning signs like membership fees, lack of customer reviews, and requests for private information, which may indicate potentially illegitimate survey sites. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate and typically take just 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies rely on individuals like you to provide valuable market research and consumer feedback through surveys. Start making money today by participating in online surveys.